Hello everyone. So today we will see how to install Redis in Ubuntu. So installing the Redis in Ubuntu is very simple. You just need to go to this Redis official website. There you will find the guide. So first prerequisite is you must have the curl. So what is curl? It allows you to fetch the data or files in your Ubuntu machine. Okay. So here you just need to do this sudo apt install. So mine is already satisfied. I already have these packages, right? So it might take some time. Okay, so for you it might take even more time because as you can see there is zero installation and zero removal. For me it was just upgrades. Once this is done, you need to start with these commands. Okay, so you just need to copy paste these commands. That's it. So let me show you one by one. So this is our first command. It will ask, do I need to override it? Because I already do have it. So I will say yes. So it has been overridden. Now let's copy paste second one. That is echo, this one. So, okay, it has done. Now I need to just do update and install. That's it. So now let's update this system. So pretty simple stuff. Done. Right. Now what I will do, I will install the Redis. So that's it. Actually, I had previously, so it didn't install. Now let me show you how to start the Redis server. What you need to do, you just need to write Redis dash server, and your Redis server will be start. Now from other window, you can use the Redis CLI. That's it. At localhost at this port, my Redis is up and running. Correct. To test this, I can do set key name. Let me say name, and in value we will put skillanything.com. I said okay. I want to get name skillanything.com. So I hope you understood how to install the Redis on Linux. If you want more interesting tutorial on Redis and about the Linux overall, you can put on the comment section. That's it for this video. Thank you.